Huwag nating iwasan o huwag tayo matakot o huwag tayo ma-frustrate kapag merong away or conflict o hindi pagkakaintindihan between the two of you, mag-asawa man o mag-boyfriend. Having a conflict or disagreement is one of the most honest, one of the most transparent, and one of the best ways for us, for you as a couple, to grow. Kasi walang growth pag walang conflict that is happening every time merong change. At alam naman natin that the only thing in life that is constant is change. At kapag nag-aaway kayo, isa itong sign na healthy at normal ang relationship niyo mag-asawa or mag-boyfriend-girlfriend. Hindi naman siguro yung tipong away na bugbugan na mala Chris Brown tsaka Rihanna. Well, for some people that works. At ito, pinaka-importante para sa akin ha. Sabi ko nga sa partner ko, kapag merong away o disagreement o argument, hindi importante na merong winner or loser. And a lot of couples, as in sobrang daming couples, get this wrong. Kaya natin naririnig yung mga linyang, palagi ka naman tama eh. Ako naman ang palaging mali. Gawin natin yung mindset. Arguments, fighting, conflicts are opportunities for learning and growth. Hindi siya opportunity to prove you are right and your partner is wrong. Okay?